Hey guys, so today on my Promind Complex review, I will be taking you through this Promind Complex supplement for memory loss and brain protection. I will be talking about what Promind Complex is, how it works, and how it's best to get a discount for the product without being scammed. Also, how it is the answer to any memory loss problem. So I decided to make this video after Promind Complex did a miracle for my granny. She's just 67 but was having some level of memory loss over a period of time before we were introduced to this Promind Complex supplement. Now, memory loss is commonly suffered by the elderly, but research has it that it's becoming common amongst the younger generations as well. So trust me, you don't want to find yourself in the mix of memory loss and any brain-related challenges. So let me tell you how it started for my granny. It all started out so innocently, forgetting her keys, not remembering where she kept her phone, that kind of stuff. Like she was burning cookies or food most of the time she was making it. She was forgetting a name now and then, so it was really worrisome and she was really getting worried too. So Promind Complex supplement was then introduced to us, and that was how my granny's brain health was restored and her memory started coming back to life. Now, what is Promind Complex supplement? So Promind Complex supplement is a formula made to clear the brain of the plague-forming bacteria and protect the brain from debilitating teeth nerve bacteria, which is climbing up to the mind. Now, Promind Complex supplement reestablishes brain healthiness, offers a sharp memory, long-term benefits in terms of retention, appropriate for mental clarity, and better learning capabilities. One of the things you wouldn't want is ever having your memory case to get to Alzheimer's. It's a whole lot worse when it gets to that. Now, by consuming the Promind Complex supplement, you can expect improvement in memory, retention, ability. It is entirely 100% natural, therefore it doesn't have any side effects. Now, Promind Complex is a nootropic supplement that gives multitudes wholly related to the mind. But I need to warn you so you don't fall into the hands of scammers. They are people who have designed a website that looks like the main Promind Complex official website, but when you key enter your payment details, they will take your details and make as many withdrawals as possible. To help save you from this, I have included the link to the official Promind Complex website in the description down below. This was the website where we got our grannies her own. That way you are sure you are making a secure payment. So, from my research about this supplement, the Promind Complex supplement can get rid of brain fog and insomnia and increase your energy levels, ward off any anxiety and depression. So Promind Complex can help you reclaim the lost territory in your brain. With this Promind Complex formula, you will be protecting yourself against age-related memory decline by giving your brain the nutrition it needs. So with Promind Complex supplement, you can be more creative, think faster, listen better, respond to situation lightning fast, and concentrate with a deeper focus than you did when you were studying for your SATs back in high school. Now, Promind Complex supplement is vegan-friendly, gluten-free, non-GMO, and follows today's highest quality of standard of modern manufacturing. Yeah, lest I forget, Promind Complex supplement has a 60 days money-back guarantee. The product is 100% completely natural ingredients, so there is no side effect noticed so far, both from the trial period and from the hundreds of customers that the product has served so far. So it's not a lifetime product. You can easily opt out when you have received the cure you want. There is no side effect and it is not addictive. The only con I can say about this Promind Complex is that it can only be purchased online. Trust me, it's an excellent all-natural solution for any form of memory loss. In conclusion, Promind Complex will be the answer you need. Make sure you leave me your questions in the comment section down below. When you are buying, I urge you to make sure you are buying from their official website. Like I said, I left the link in the description down below. Please leave me a like and a share for this video so that people who may need it will have access to it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!